Model review and incremental changes play a vital role in getting the model to a mature state and staying relevant to the changes. Prolaborate's review features facilitate comprehensive analysis and commentary on your models. Collect input from your team, address concerns, and refine your work through a structured and intuitive review process. Prolaborate's review feature supports real-time interaction between reviewers and modelers, facilitating efficient collaboration and feedback. Additional features include inviting others to participate in the review process by entering their email addresses and streamlining collaboration. To conduct a review, you can set a definitive start and end date and select elements, diagrams, or packages for review. The search feature in Prolaborate makes it easy to find and select items. You can invite users or groups and even include external reviewers by providing their email addresses. Prolaborate provides both a moderator's and a reviewer's dashboard. Moderators can track progress and review statistics, while reviewers can see their tasks, deadlines, and options to comment.
Thanks for that, Chris. Let me take it from here. Hey, I'm Clara. Now, let me show you how Prolaborate's review dashboard and notifications help keep your team on track and informed every step of the way. The review dashboard in Prolaborate gives you a clear view of your entire review process. Visual charts highlight discussion status, priorities, and approval rates, so you always know what needs action and what's already done. Reviewers and moderators can easily keep track of team progress with summaries showing assigned tasks, open items, and completed actions all in one place. Automated notifications and reminders keep everyone aligned, alerting reviewers when deadlines approach or new comments are added. These timely messages help ensure feedback is prompt and nothing gets missed. When the review ends, you can quickly download a summary report. This pulls together all feedback, comments, decisions, and approval statuses into a single downloadable file, making it easy to share results, keep records, or meet audit needs. To learn more about Prolaborate's review features, or to see them in action, check out the demo link in the description below.